Genja is located in Foshan and High. Foshan city has a good reputation as a hometown of aluminium. We are professional manufacturer of aluminium alloy casting equipment and consumables. Like melting furnace, holding furnace, regenerative burner system, homogenized furnace, refining flux, Dross agent, melt treatment agent. There are for aluminium refining flux grade 4. Different requirement of refining level of the molten metal. We have to type of packing, that is the carton box packaging and plastic bag packaging. Please give us a like and follow our channel. Thank you.